Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone doing great. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I love nature, natural environment. That's why I always used to make video in natural environment and rural environment. So now I am living in a village. That's why I can feel natural environment and really now this is a very interesting and uh, wonderful amazing view around me. Look around me, like cloudy open skies and surrounded by paddy fields. Everything is very fish calm and quiet, because now this is our time. That time is everything uh, everything full of cloud. So now it seems rain comes maybe. So really this time is very peaceful. I can feel a cool breeze, and really my hair is very awful. My looks also terrible, and everything surrounded by natural fatty field, and already a lot of fatty field already cut by farmer. And really in the village everyone, most a majority person, they are involved with farming, and they used to do something in a rural area. And because a lot of farmer, they are living in a village, and they survive in the village, and they can earn money from selling their crops, because they produce a lot of crops from the field, because there is always a suitable area to produce crops, like a lot of vegetables and rice, and also fruits, as well as fruits. It's produced from village or landscape which lies in the village. Now I'm walking in the road, and it's built by bricks. It's a narrow and cheap, and it's a very common in a village actually. Now I am enjoying this moment, because this is a very beautiful weather. Like now I can feel sea beach weather. Really, when we go to sea beach, and we can enjoy a cool breeze near the sea beach. And now I can feel same breeze, because this is very cool and all cool and enjoyable really. So why not? I think it's the high time to make a video in the weather. That's why I'm making video, and I'm recording me in my mobile phone. Okay, really I have to make video, and I should learn more and more, since I'm a learner, and I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to adopt my new language, English language, since my mother tongue is Bangla, but now I am trying to adopt a new language, which international language, and everyone struggle to learn the language. So I am also same, and I'm struggling, and I'm trying my best to adopt the language, and as well as I'm trying to give IELTS exam maybe after Eid. I have to sit for the exam. And so now I have to learn 4 modules, like listening, speaking, reading, writing. Not only speaking, as well as rest of 3 modules I am to learn with speaking. That's why sometimes I can't make video, uh, and I am to learn others modules, because everything involves uh, each of them. And so definitely English is very important now. In internationally, it's a high demand. Every learners, they are struggling to learn English, but English is very easy. Who are expert or who are legend. So uh, I think everyone struggling when they are learner like me. So why not to learn English, and why not we work hard? So I work hard